on that, but maybe a little late. I will tell you, when it comes to where we're going with those temperatures, we should get further and further away from the 100-degree mark as we get into the weekend and beyond, because we've got some better rain chances on the way. So let's dive into it. When we look big picture here, we've got some sea breeze storms out towards Houston metro area, down towards the valley, but nothing that's close to home just yet. I think it is possible one or two spot showers bubbles up on us over the next few hours, but coverage is 10% or less. In general, I'm just seeing some puffy clouds out there. We can see those puffy clouds on our covert Bee Cave Automall camera there. More blue sky than not. As far as the numbers go, yes, we did officially hit 100 at 4:15 this afternoon. Currently recording a temperature of 99. Most of us are in those 90s though across central Texas. It's hot, as it should be for the first week of July. As far as the rain chance goes moving forward, like I said, there's nothing that impressive that I think is going to work in our favor for widespread rain or anything like that. We'll go 10% or less for the rest of the afternoon, evening. Tomorrow even looks drier. Tomorrow I'm thinking we'll go mainly sunny from start to finish and not see anything in the way of any stray showers at all. But that changes once we hit this weekend. This weekend I'm going with some spotty rain Saturday, so 20% coverage here. We'll do this again on Sunday. And then early next week, Monday, in addition to Tuesday, we'll go spotty to scattered in coverage. Why? Because that big old summertime heat dome's not sitting right on top of us. It's actually way up there in the northern plains. Extreme heat expected for our friends up north. But this opens the door for not only more moisture coming in from the Gulf, but I also think there's going to be a little disturbance hanging out to our west to increase rain chances as we transition into next week. While that's happening, we also have another plume of Saharan dust coming through. Now, a little bit of that actually starts to make its way into our skies as we get into tomorrow and Friday. But I think there's a bigger, thicker plume of Saharan dust as we transition into Monday, Tuesday of next week. Now, I'm hoping with some rain around that kind of cleans out the atmosphere for us a little bit. And a lot of this, by the way, is in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Just during the heating of the day, sometimes that mixes down and gives us the hazy skies. Kind of looks yucky during the daytime, but gives us some really nice sunrise and sunsets. Now, 7-day forecast showing gusty winds both tomorrow and Friday. Those are coming out of the south-southeast. It's going to bring up even more humidity. That's why I think those heat indices are even more of an issue as we get into the weekend. So despite the fact that our temperatures are slowly starting to come down just a few degrees, that 95 is going to feel like 100 to 105 by the time we hit Sunday, and those rain chances come up to about 20%. Next week, your notice rain chance gets up to about 30 to 40% Monday, Tuesday. Temperatures, as those rain chances come up, temperatures come down, lower 90s there Tuesday, Wednesday. So as you can see, we don't have any triple digits so far in the 7-day forecast, but we'll monitor it as we go on. Hey, stay right there. We have more for you after the break.